In today's review, we're diving into Unbounce, one of the leading landing page builders on the market. Unbounce allows users to create custom, high-converting landing pages without needing any coding skills. The platform offers a drag-and-drop editor that makes it simple for beginners and experienced marketers alike to build landing pages that convert. When you first sign up for Unbounce, you're greeted with an intuitive interface that's clean and straightforward. Right from the dashboard, you can start creating a new landing page or even access templates that are designed to help you get started quickly. The variety of templates available is impressive, with different categories for different goals, from lead generation to e-commerce. Creating a page is as simple as selecting a template and then customizing it to suit your needs. Unbounce Editor is user-friendly, but it's also packed with features for those who want more control. You can add text, images, buttons, and forms with just a few clicks. The flexibility here is impressive, as you can make significant changes to your page without needing any coding knowledge. One standout feature of Unbounce is its A/B testing capabilities. If you're serious about optimizing your landing pages, this tool is invaluable. You can test multiple variations of your pages to see what works best and get detailed analytics to help you make data-driven decisions. This feature is especially useful for marketers who want to improve their conversion rates over time. The platform also integrates with many third-party tools, including email marketing platforms, CRMs, and analytics tools, making it easy to sync your campaigns with your other marketing efforts. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. In terms of pricing, Unbounce is on the higher end compared to some other landing page builders, but it's well worth the investment if you need a robust, feature-packed tool. They offer different pricing tiers depending on your needs, with higher tier plans unlocking more features such as additional landing pages, more A/B tests, and premium support. In conclusion, Unbounce is a powerful landing page builder that can help businesses of all sizes create high-quality, high-converting landing pages with ease. While it might be a bit pricier than other options, the features and ease of use make it a solid choice for marketers looking to optimize their conversion rates. If you're considering using Unbounce, I highly recommend giving it a try. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and tips on marketing tools, and like this video if you found it helpful.